Welcome to Gearhead's World, where we show you good times, all kinds of racing, all kinds of cruising, all kinds of wrenching, and everything else Gearhead. Take a look around. Saturday night, Portland, Oregon, at the Roadster Show. Looks like over here we have George Barris.
Oh yeah.
Yikes. Wow, that scared me. This here is an early Mustang, and it is orange. Shall we take a look underneath this Malibu? An X-Pipe. Yes, indeed. Pretty good down this way, too. And I would venture to say that once upon a time, that Malibu looked like this one. We didn't look at the back of this yet. You see they're molding in a little lip on the back here. Spoiler action, huh? Well, these guys have taken a lot of cars down to bare metal, that's for sure. Yeah, this one brings back some memories. I recall having a 68 SS like this, about this condition as we were building it back up. It's over on my street racing blog, which you can find the links to down below in the comments section. Yep, there's the gauges. Remember the console with gauges? Mine was a SS396. That looks like one right there. That's a 56 Chevy tricked out. And look what they've done to the front of it. Benched in those headlights and there's a bumper grill. Not bad. Got some crazy cool shirts going on here. They got the Rat Rod vibe going on there. Ah, face painting. Lots of good apparel. More gasser action. Oh, here comes the pinup dollies. Hello, dollies. Having a good time, I take it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Glad to see ya. All right. Anybody want to take a look at some trophies? Holy moly. This guy has got some trophies here. Got some trophies, got some plaques, a bunch of magazine articles on his ride. Obviously he's had this ride for quite a while. Looks like early pictures here. Oakland Roadster Show, 82. Let me guess, he's from California. I don't know. Don't know who it is, but all the way around the truck, this is what we got. Now let's look at this. At first, you think an old primered out Impala, but we take a closer look, and those bumpers look like stainless. You see them French right into the side of the car there. Cool, this color is so smooth. unique. Original. Remember when they built cars with giant fins on them? This one's undoubtedly a 59 Chevy. These are the VIP Classics over here. Whoa, I didn't expect this. This was some kind of a simulator. Oh, look at this. I get to sit in there and do a drag race. Isn't that cool? She's getting backed up. Interesting. 1954 GM Motorama. Not everybody knows that back in the day, GM used to put on some huge car shows all around the country. Retro. Does anybody know what that means here? So, yes, it looks like a 53 Corvette, but no, it ain't. It's a 2004. You like that? How about this? Try on a Nomad. Huh? Yeah. All right, for you bikers. And for you piratical types. And for you commuter types. Don't ask me what they are. But let's go down here. This here is what we would call a candy apple paint job on this 65 GTO. Probably an original tri-power car. Yeah, this car is not original, but I'm glad because I don't like them all original. It mostly is, but not all the way. Interesting green. Got the green bumper going on here. We met Danny Fenn and his wife Maggie a little earlier. I talked about cars they built. Here's some of them right here. That's his Camaro up there he's had for a long time. So now we're going to show you something nutty. Got a 4.3 V6 in it. It's a 23T. Okay, what we have here now is a bunch of Woodies. I gotta take one more look at this black Firebird. It just looks so mean. This tub, a mini tub, but it does have a back seat in it. Pretty cool back seat in there. You might not see this car again. Some guys, Lenny Ham is from Port Orchard, Washington. Ways away from here. Yep, it's a Kenworth, guys. For all you truckers, all you serious truckers. Feel free to share this or like it, or you can subscribe to my channel and check out all my other vids. See ya. Okay, I want to wrap this up with this shot of the classical gas. If this is what he's done out at PIR, then I'm going to be looking forward to seeing this machine running next year. For sure. Alrighty then. Hopefully there was something here you liked if you stuck it out with me to the end.